IPFT to hold an important meeting on the coming 13th of December at Teliamura Chakmaghat area, and regarding this, a conference meet was held at the house of Mungia Kami Block BSC Chairman Sunil Debarma on Thursday. The conference meet was attended by Preparation Committee Chairman Sunil Debarma, State IPFT Secretary Sopon Debarma, Party Spokesperson Advocate Amit Debarma, and others. After the meeting, all the leaders of the party went to visit the ground where the coming meeting will be held in the coming days.
Belena Hambai, Chini Tangai Bistarigo, November Bistarigo, Agutla Press Club, Central Executive Committee meeting. Decision Naman Mutabe, Zumbuskan Teratarik, December, Chakmaghat, or Zunkasa, mass gathering Kainatanto, or mass gathering me, prepared committee, Chini Chumuza meeting of Asulaja. Ge Jetu Chini program Chakmagatoba, own Bagasung, Chini first preparatory committee meeting, Uzagani, Chini division on Icol Tongai, Boromon, Lebanon Nogo, Asuplay, Buskani, program ni, Jutukiso Salai Salaika, at the decision Nalaika, Gage,
along with division committee members,
along with division committee members, Ge Jung Tibuja division of Hanke Teliamura East division Clayo, over quite district under Jung Tabu, Jetu Zum Cox Salaibeca, some Phil Nailene, Phil Nailebema Pure, Ozaga, some Jutukiso or Philly, the Shamu, not some Barza Yakulane, get some Chinicoimung Tome, which can tell Tarik Nick. The mass gathering of success can have away. Chini party IPFT like minded borrow, but Sonozara support Kaitonero, Majara Tipralena Southernero. Bornozotono, Chini was a mass gathering, Balukutum Pandavo, Paimaza Penaway, no median through the Zumpo.
I was a map nice Simon night, Mato Zepunsa, Maso Tau Vigito Tagakish and Simon and Busu Chakma, Chini target on night, Map.
Reported by Biplav from Khorang, Chini Khorang.